Welcome to Jamaica. Make on the money, sex on the money, come back to Jamaica when it's sunny. Bim bam! Tell the police them to want the unit. Place they are way when I bet dirty water catch him foot when I work with that. And me then call me. And me I run the place. Look at my face. And me then call the blood clot real mass man.
Yeah man, me showing you the state of my backyard. Right now it's full of water. Yo, Mr. Jacket and tie man. What you do for you?
See, we are flood out here. We want help, we're hungry, we want food.
Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to Hard Knock Live. Yes, guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Hard Knock Life, that is it. Yeah, people, you see, look, in Jamaica, yeah, this is the weather. Rafael. Boy, I don't know whether Italian they reach in Jamaica. Eh?
Yes, guys. Yeah, man, I'm showing you the state of my backyard. You can see from previous videos. Right now it's full of water. Due to the Rafael, I say his name?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, Rafael, I go and we look at something. Yeah, man, see it there? Water. Yeah, man, and if you go all out the road right now, man, out there full of water too, man.
Oh, Rafael, I like you now get up. We do backyard and we never did a brother then.
Yo, Mr. Jacket and tie, man. What you do for you? Look at this. The drain want fix. It don't want clean it, want a new drain.
When it rain, it pour around here, you know. Yeah, man. All who people live uptown, not them scheme, in a them upscale community and thing. When I look for what go on, I'm sure we have to go through in a garrison.
Go to water, you girl. We eat them water, yeah.
Nah, tell them, mama. They get a big up there on Hard Knock TV.
I want to find it. See, we are flood out here. We want help, we're hungry, we want food. TV, JCV, I want to do a flood out.
No,
my mattress wet up.
You see, I don't know 30 grand bed, I don't know 30 grand dresser. Short lady.
Big up, big up, big up.
Nobody can cross it, only who understand it can cross it. Look at people, Jesus. Look at people. You have something important for God in a day, yeah? And you have to just put on your nice little gears and all that.
Better put on your water boat. Maybe not even that can help you.
Yeah, no. Roll up your pantsuit. Put on your water boot or walk barefoot. See it?
Guys, don't get it twisted in. It's not Rafael alone do this. Here, once the rainfall.
Once the rainfall. Yeah, because we don't really get no impact at this time. That's rain we are getting now, watch out. She's short lady, you remember which part of the hole there? Don't make no mistake in step in the center lane. Yeah, because right now you can't tell which part of the ground there. And which part of the gully there. Heads of government and so we treat you, look here. Watch here. Them people they can't come out of their yard and nothing can go in, watch here. There's a gate that's enough people. Judge. Jetty. Good morning. Jetty, tell them to like, comment, subscribe, share. Mana? Say Hard Knock Life, like, comment, subscribe, share.
So all that in
Eh? Watch your people. See the condition we have to live in when you just get little rain. Cause what really happening now when the rain just start fall. Just one hard downpour and stop. And now this gone. Yo, now if you bother go down to Figure River, you know, we can just make up a little fire right there. So.
Rain a fall, man. Rain a wake up and sitting there.
Riverside. We have a whole little riverside right here. Yeah, man, it's a walkway. This is the people to the back gate, you know. Yeah, man, sometimes I'll car park here and thing, man, and watch it. Yeah, no, Mr. Wheatley, you know, see what I go on? It's no joke around here.
Yes, I go back.
So, Keith, you wait up on the rain?
Yeah.
You have to cook some food?
Yes, you don't cook, I don't have money.
Eh, may I give you a loan? Yeah, may I give you a loan?
Yeah.
May I give you a granny, you give me back $1,000 upon it.
Wait.
Tomorrow.
What post the rain I use up?
Eh?
Post the rain I use up?
What's the rain I use up?
Yeah.
Yeah, then in the interest I grew up on it, man.
No, since I'm rain use up again, man. I don't know.
I know, man. I a hustler, you know. So,
Alright. Father.
you can't ramp in my money now, I want my money now.
Nah, I'm put them on. Buy a mackerel.
I don't have no money, I don't have it for me now, see. I have to go in feed.
I tell you, don't give me a mackerel.
Eh?
Let me give me a mackerel.
So I have to give you a mackerel. So that alone you never eat.
Janelle. Yeah.
Janelle, give me a mackerel, I pay for it. Give me a mackerel, I pay for it. So you start eating the bread already, so you get the mackerel.
What the storm, boy? What the storm?
Much you, Janelle?
Boy, the storm, I'm going to food like this.
Bread and mackerel.
I say, brother, mackerel, man.
So you eat the bread and mackerel?
Some eat the bread, man. Two, sir? Hungry.
Say me ask to Kitty, you know about to me and Paisan. You man have that drink, me never see that yet.
Yeah, I'm afraid I price it, but I still have access.
Say you on a plate over your yard.
No, I'm talking about.
You say you give me a tour in that crib?
You don't want postman. Take a water. What's alright, but now.
Come show me in that crib, man. Give me a tour in that crib. You see what I go on in that crib. You see it? Tour, we got tour Kitty Mansion, you know. Wow, man have all them dog in the yard. Security tight, Kitty. Kitty, how you? Brother, how in front of your house looks so nasty, brother? Watch it. You can't chop out and clean up and sweep up and...
Yes, sir.
So what I go on? How we share this in our house, you know? How this right there, sir? I just saw the street, I just see you see it? Then I give you a tour right house to blood, please. So Kitty, I say you have wire sets cross in our place? So you wake up on hours and night and I know you're there, you know I get shot, man. Yeah, man, I dance and I can tour in mansion, sir.
Hey, this is Joel Osborne, and you're listening
Kitty, when them gyal come in here, so. And drop your jaws mansion, you have in here, no boy.
Can't see everything.
Then have in light on the wall. See it there? LED. And a joke thing in the people. See sweet here, you know. See sweet there. Fan there, so. Kitty, if you tile off your floor, do my boss.
Yeah.
So watch out, so the roof looks like it can, like the roof can cave in for your brother.
Nah, Kevin, man. You want to set up the computer.
You see that big belly right there, so?
Yeah, the flame.
Sure, no, Kitty, you want to fix up in here, tile off the floor and paint up, you know,
Yeah,
render
want
off
some
the
more.
wall and, you know?
Want some more work.
You say you want some more work.
No, run it like bathroom.
You know what you man in the tin mack in the hand, man. Me think you'd put the thing in a one plate, brother. And I show him bathroom. So how you have to padlock up your bathroom? How you keep out your bathroom? Okay, Tina, you look your suite look good, man.
No, and yo.
You
Yes,
want a window this and thing, you know, move the zinc.
Yeah, man, I want window did it.
Yeah,
So,
man.
I mean, it have a time to come on. I'm gonna do the key.
So much girl you carrying us already?
About 2 girls, man.
About 2?
Nah, I'm gonna do the key. So, I just have a key as a require, you know. Oh, the other.
Free man mansion and nah, man, you know.
Oh, you know, say, me mean, look now, you're gonna run upright up there. We take off the water and run the zinc.
Yeah.
Say, you know, I get no weight up.
Yeah.
Put back the light up that side again. Up at this roof. So, you look like you're gonna take off back down.
You look like it will drop down for you one of them nights you asleep.
Look over and see them. This not look bad. Look bad.
Look
This
like
one-
one of them there
look
who
at-
can hear Shakiti
Look
dead
at
over
this not
here.
look bad. Down.
No, this look good.
Ah.
People like him do everything, you know. Yeah, man. Man have all him toilet.
Bathroom.
You gotta touch a size bathroom, yeah. Excuse me,
When he
language.
say same thing, I go put up at top there.
Look on the man size bathroom. So you say, why plans you have in here, sir?
One day,
Mm.
like a next bathroom build up at top there. So.
How would the...
If you take off a little drip in a mine of that.
So you want to carry the bathroom upstairs?
Yeah, no.
So you want one yes and one up there, sir?
Yeah. I mean, say same thing as so, same thing up there.
Yeah.
It's really good. Really, see, no, put it, yeah, you know, look bad. Put it back up there, so up, over deck. Look, decking look.
They can look alright,
No,
man.
yeah, see it on
don't.
the phone?
Yeah, man, they don't see it.
No, me don't see it good.
Mm.
No, come here, sir. You can blow it good.
Mm.
Yeah, blow it good, sir.
Yeah, man, you get a view, man.
When you go to do, you can see it better.
Mm-hmm.
You decking.
Kitty mackerel that kill me nose do raw mackerel.
Come.
Mm-hmm. So Kitty, what make you have to padlock up your bathroom?
Bed now, wait. Be the bed. Bed now. Bed now.
You're clever though.
Eh?
Clever though.
You know.
I don't know how you get
You
the
know.
roof a leak round the bed.
No,
None now drip
I
on the
know.
bed. Right round the bed a leak.
So when I get the drip, sir, look at sir.
Mm-hmm.
One this one, done.
Alright, you see the reason why you get drip?
Yeah. Look at that.
Because you did need to pay somebody to do it,
Look at sir.
Kitty.
And they done. Now look at sir, look at minor thing, man. A minor problem.
What if I water that I run from the wall, Kitty?
But I want to be able to minor.
Watch it there, let me look where I go. Watch it there.
Yeah. See there? A minor water that.
Man, I wish water.
Minor, that can't hurt. I look for that one. Where, eh? That's a minor water.
Yes, sir, you're not far
Yes,
in
sir.
your
Look here, sir. Look for this one. That's a 2 done.
Better mind this jack down for your
Alright, that's a 2 done. Look at
Better
sir.
mind this jack down for your brother.
Look here, sir. I want that, sir. Me say I want like a minor thing. I mean say I go buy a next bag of cement.
So much,
Alright?
yeah.
Done.
Mm-hmm.
And try rub out.
Can I find your work?
Yeah, man. You know? Me not the minor thing, daddy. Minor no man, you. Tell the truth. Not the minor man, you.
Try kitchen this.
Yeah.
I want one table yes, sir, dirty.
Yeah.
Everything you do on the
Go
ground.
on, just look now.
And I go like your hot boy.
Look now. Just
Brother, if you want just so you have to make your floor level.
Yeah, no, man.
You see you think ill and gully,
Yeah,
brother.
but-
And whole heap of leak. Kitty, me I tell you, sir,
Okay,
right,
now.
right now you make me fear standing up here, sir.
No, members say no, members
Me
say
have
no.
that feeling they like the house I got jack down for me, brother.
Remember say I go up there upright now. We take out the dripping now.
So what you say to all the single man them out there, like how you live by yourself?
My girl,
Yeah, looking at the cameraman and tell her what you tell her. Say.
I go all about the bedroom. All about the bedroom and drip. Mind
All
that
that is a wipe them out. The sheet.
Yeah.
So I say you just eat and use a sheet. What? No man no man to use them sheet and wipe them out, brother.
Yeah.
So you say what you say to you single man them out there one man and a woman.
No man say place and look bad but the thing was house up at top.
Yeah.
The
So
top
them,
is dripping.
yeah. So them must them have to know from early out say house a leak. Keith have a blow mansion you do. I drop down still because I'm having steel in me and you know? Boy put steel in and shock to them and the boy them I'm about 30 or 20% in him head, in him not 100 in about.
Look here.
Man,
They go to the post and build a room
yeah.
and go and chill.
They say upstairs.
Yeah, but you're not going to post it. Like yesterday now. Road has to look now.
So
Road
I
has
go
to you
on.
go use post.
Yeah.
Post up a bedroom for yourself.
Yeah. For myself.
So myself then.
Oh.
Think.
So how are they right yourself?
What?
How you been right yourself? A little thing and a little like one little door.
To put roll on, Vaseline, perfume, condition.
Oh, so you have
Be in
planned
the
to turn and
store.
say in our shop too?
Yeah.
So you say go be out and what else go be shop?
Yeah, what that's going to be shop.
Yeah, the man of vision people.
Black umbrella.
No man, umbrella good.
Look at a little dripping where we are get this.
You must say rain a fall in the house in the key to them for lucky umbrella.
Yeah, but a little tip of dripping. Look what I wrote this. And look at me and tell about it. We're getting water more. That's it too. What other one? Look what I wrote this.
Yeah man, people are sample man. But you know, it's a youth you know, I'm always go out there, you know, ever out there on the road and sell something, extension, wire them in. Yeah, real us now man. Never. I'm so 100 in the head, like I say, I'm about 20% there, you know. You know, there was a history where before this start building up, the owner for the land, which is the pastor when we do a previous vlog pan. You see me? He said, boy, everybody have to cut off from land and, you know, give it time when to leave, and when everybody have fix up, this man say, him nah cut, him nah go nowhere. You see me? I always say, yo, Keithy, man, I come force you, come hit down your place, you know, come bulldoze, they say, oh, come here, me, I build my thing. See, they see done there. You done building mansion, brother.
Yeah,
all
man,
the way that look for you.
man.
The man
Me
come
tell you,
lick down.
man.
Yeah.
A bim bam, a Jamaica with it. You don't know. Police them, they big up for you.
I mean,
Place that look bad, but place want money to fix up the thing.
that is
Look, you know? Me say you want something over it, we take off the dripping.
why Keithy Makula kill me nose going on.
That's how you can, man.
Yeah, but you know.
Yeah, me a split. I want weed for bun, man.
They say I want weed. I still won't get a spliff, man. If your man ain't really, you know, your man is a little ambitious youth, man. You see me? The man build a rotted mansion. Man better than enough youth with 100 in a life. Hard knock TV again. Big up on yourself, yeah? Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. That is it.
Come to Jamaica, make you the money, sexy me money. Come back to Jamaica, bin.
That
Bam,
is it.
bam, bin, bin. I hate that.
I hate that. That is the place of flood. Keith, you don't want the weed? Hey, you don't want the weed? Look for my lane. People don't look for my lane. I wonder if it's going to get higher. I wonder if you really have to go swim. I wonder if it's going to breathe past the level where we can walk, where we not can walk again. I wonder if a swimmer have to go really start swim, people. I wonder if I really swim have to go start swim. Jaja.
I just got I'm here to buy 4 7 25 pots and come back.
True, man.
Right now, so they put on the pot right now in our house. Need some flour. The rain time, we are doing a layer.
Where girl is?
Wet in the girl there. I mean,
Wifey! Big up wifey! Keith, you say you go on? Wifey! You see a mansion still? So you can't help the man in the ceiling rally. Keith, if you want them pretty girl in your mansion, you have to go fix up the ceiling rally. People, you see that man here? A real farmer this year.
welcome to Jamaica.
Yeah,
Make the money, send to the money, come back to Jamaica when it's sunny.
that is it.
Bim bam, and the police them say, want the unit. Place there where bring a bed dirty water catch him foot. We not work with that. Right now all about the queen, cause queen upon the $5 pound before they upon the private money. You don't know a bim bam, all about for it. So I look on this. I want you view this. I want you view this. You can see this good.
That is it.
This is my card. This is my money card. I want you to look on it good. I want you very, very good and pick up it good. Pick up it good?
Yeah.
Alright.
What about that card there?
All about the 35.
Where you get that card from?
All about the bank me get it from. I want to. You know how me look. And me then call me. Them out them boy then that thing know who then call me. And me I run the place. Me run town and country. A boy that he know me more I send this on the blood clot internet and me. Then call all the wicked youth. Them not them boy that he know who them a run putting up. Them boy they want to see me and want to know me. And me, I run the blood clot place. The boy that he know who them a run putting up. Bumbo clot. All them want money to spend daddy. Stay away daddy. Hungry daddy. And boy that he know who them a deal with daddy. Daddy just give me a boom and rum daddy. And hold back the pipe daddy. I vibe of a bill daddy. A boy hear about the mass man. And me I look for pussy. Look at my face. And me they call me blood clot real mass man. And mass man this pussy wall here. That's what me want mass man. You baby shiver. You baby giver. You baby chica.
Hey, tell where police boy them the one with the entire number on it.
How the police them want with the man. Big up police, I respect you.
Nah, man.
I rate you.
So people, sorry, so water then. Whole heap of water this thing. So wait, let's see what I go on. Okay, I see this. Every time rainfall is happening here, this not take storm to happen. Not take storm for this happen here. A boat we need around here, no? I know I forgot have a boat. Yeah, man, I forgot have 2 boats in our lane now. Dry time we have them just put aside in our lane. Huh? Rainfall we have to activate, we just activate them. Sure. People live in the same, no? Yeah, that they have to say, no? Sure. It's land ho! Land ho! Here we find land people. Woo. Aye aye, Captain. Land ho! MP not do nothing. That's why me now vote again. Mad. Yes guys, so thanks for checking in. Thanks for stopping by and thing, and yeah man, it's your boy Hardknock again. You see what going on in my neck of the woods right now, Crazy rain, crazy flood. We have to just give thanks, say, the worst has passed. The hurricane threat is not really for us Jamaicans. If you would in the Cayman Island, you understand? So why not even say we give thanks, you understand? We just have to be lucky, say it pass with. Because the one thing for you give thanks, I thank God say boy it now kept in a touch with. You understand? But it gone somewhere else, can touch somebody else as well, you understand? Yeah man, because it's another country that will heap of families and things, and can be very devastating for them. So we just have to be lucky, say it pass. Yeah man, remember to please like, comment, subscribe, share. You understand? We're on our road to 5,000 subscribers. So we're asking for your help to get your boy Hardknock there. You understand? Big up to all who check in, all who subscribe, all who like, drop a comment and thing. Big up on yourself. So from the other day, I not really post and thing, but kind of complicated. So big up on yourself, man, for all who subscribe and check in. Manners and respect.